Hey there guys, and welcome back. Now this video, it will be a bit different than my typical gaming videos. This is a how-to tutorial, and pretty much I'm going to show you guys what you need to start off a gaming channel. Now I will say gaming channel to the rest of the other ones, DIY, bloggings, squishy videos, whatever you guys want to call it, it is similar to a gaming channel. The only difference is there's some little accessories here and there. But let's go ahead. What you need is, off the bat, is to create a YouTube account. Why do I need a YouTube account? Well, how else are you gonna log in and be able to upload your video? This is the primary thing you need to do. Once you do it, it'll follow through the steps. Mine's already here. Mine's already pre-registered. So I already have all my stuff. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button so far if you guys are enjoying the video. Otherwise, hopefully I can mesmerize you and hypnotize you by clicking that button. So this is one of the things you need. Alright? The next stuff you need is a camera. Hey, why do I need a camera if I'm making a gaming channel? So you can mount it on top of your desktop. So you can mount it on top of your, pretty much your monitor. So you can see yourself, record your face cam. Okay? You need a smartphone so you can record your voice. You need an Elgato so you can record your gameplay. You need a Vegas Pro editing software, so guess what? So you can edit videos. You also need Photoshop. Why? So you can edit your thumbnails, make thumbnails, and edit pretty much pictures. Hey, you need Adobe Premiere Pro too, so you can edit your videos a little bit more fancier than Vegas Pro. Then there's also, and this is the other one that I didn't put, oopsie daisy. You need Adobe After Effects. Why do I need After Effects? Why? Oh, so you can go ahead and make fancy effects, grasp your audience and be like, oh, whoa. This is kind of what I want to do to you guys. The mesmerizing factor. Look at it so you guys can click the subscribe button. Now, this is all the stuff you need. No. This is not exactly all the stuff you really need, because you're not going to get yourself stuck into a membership. Alright? You're starting off a channel, so you don't really need to go ahead and start off with that. Okay? You don't need to spend $300 on the software if you're hardly going to be able to use it or hardly have trouble using it. You're not going to go ahead and buy yourself an Elgato. Now, unless you have the money for it, go for it. Smartphone, we all have one. However, this one is essential for something different. Camera, essential for something different. You can't even mount it on top of a monitor. First of all, that's why there's such webcams. The After Effects, it all piles up with this one. If you buy it, you get the membership and you'll be able to have access to all these applications, but you're being paying a subscription on a monthly basis. So you do not need all this. What you guys do need is free software. Free software that's out there ready for you guys so you guys can use and have access to it. If you're starting a gaming channel, this is the GIMP. Edit your thumbnails. This is an application that you can use to go ahead and edit your thumbnails, make your thumbnails for free. You don't have to spend on Photoshop. You don't have to spend on a fancy software to do your thumbnails. Then, you don't need to get the Elgato. You can use OBS so you can record your gameplay and all this stuff. That way you can put it out there. And it has all these features that you can use. How to record your audio, how to record your mic, how to record all this, the quality. Pretty much OBS is a lot of people tend to use it for the fact that it's very versatile. You need Audacity. It's a free software. So you can record your voice deeper, pitch here, however you want to, like, hey man, how you doing? Or, hey man, how are you doing? It all depends on how you really want to work with this software. You might want to do some little quirks here and there. You do need a microphone for a gaming channel. It is essential due to the voice, due to the fact that you're going to be talking. Currently, for me, my setup is a little bit different. Now, You guys are familiar, I do have software down here. I do have several software to edit. Now, one of the other ones that I would tell you that it's free to use, and it usually comes with your graphics card, is the NVIDIA Shadowplay. I tend to use this one to record my gameplay while I'm gaming, and it's free as it comes in with a graphics card and you feel so that's just mine. The other thing that I just forgot to say is this one. Where is that? Where are you? There we are. Windows Movie Maker. To edit compilation of your videos, put them together, and put it out there. Now, it may not be that fancy, that great as Adobe Premiere, as pretty much Adobe After Effects, as Sony Vegas, but guess what? It is a starting point for some of us. This is the one thing you need to work on, and eventually we'll all get there. We'll all get to use those other programs. If you have access to the programs like Premiere Pro, Photoshop, Sony Vegas, Adobe After Effects, go ahead guys, grab them, use them. You potentially can be the next YouTuber. So if you guys did enjoy this how-to tutorial on pretty much just an overall concept of how to do this, hit that like button, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more videos, my gaming videos, and more reviews, and also a little bit more of a how-to tutorial. Stay tuned. Thank you guys, and as always, enjoy the rest. Ha 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 ha!